Hello guys, you are welcome. We are in our interior design. I've taught you how to set your camera. In this flat we have material already imported from ArchiCAD. While in this flat now, we don't have such. We told you import we are going to fix our materials and other objects through V-Ray, Kiosk V-Ray, and maybe we can import some. So let's just go through how to import. There are so many sites which you can download 3D materials or V-Ray too. Just 3D SMAS objects or materials. There are so many sites. We have so many of it. If you browse it and you search for sites to download 3D for 3D SMAS, we have the ones you can render with V-Ray and the ones you can render with Corona or some other rendering software. But we are not going to go through that because it takes a lot of data to download from other sites. But we download, we have some. Let's just teach us how to. I think we have some here. Let's go here. Go here and let's teach us how to import material after downloading material from other 3D websites for 3D SMAS. If you have gotten it, how to import it to your design. You have taught us how to use V-Ray materials. You know how to bring in V-Ray materials into your design and how to place it. But in this case, we are going to teach us how to import 3D. Okay, this is our 3D model. You go here. This is some of our 3D model we imported from other sites. We have two ways of importing it. So the first one is we just go here. As you have your 3D model here, let's say we want to import this. This is TV wall set. Okay, this is for 3D. Okay, you just click on it and say merge file. So this is it. You have imported it, you can see. So you placed it. Then we move it. Let's move it here. So it will show on this. Let's move it. Let's move it. This is what we have imported. So let's make it. Another way to import. Let's delete this. Let us also delete this. Delete this. So we go back and we come here. We say import match. And you go to your TV set and say import. So this date, you imported everything. You can see it's very easy because so you say move, I'll move it. You can see it. So let's go like this and see what we did.